wanted to share some tips on how to have a successful first laser hair removal appointment. If it's your first time getting lasered, I know it can be nerve-wracking. So we always recommend start with an area of your body that you're not so nervous about. We recommend the underarm. It doesn't feel as intimidating like the face or the bikini area, which can feel a lot more scary. So start with an underarm area, and then 24 hours before your actual appointment, you want to make sure that you shave the area. So you want to shave it as close as possible with a regular razor. You want to make sure that you don't remove the hair from the root. We actually need the hair underneath the skin to be there, but we do need you to shave the area. We do have a questionnaire that we want you to fill out, and don't be surprised if we ask you about any medicines you might be taking, any supplements you might be taking, or anything about your medical history. The reason we ask this is because we want to make sure that you're not more photosensitive. The sun is the enemy to the laser. You don't want to be out in the sun, you don't want to be taking any sort of supplements or medicines that's going to make you more sensitive to the sun. That's going to increase the chances that you might burn from your laser hair removal treatment. So please be as honest as you can about all of your medical procedures that you've had done or any sort of medicines that you are taking. After you fill out the medical questionnaire, we're going to take you back and we're going to go over the questionnaire with you, and we might ask you a few repetitive questions. Again, please be patient with us. We just want to make sure that we have covered everything and that you've had no sun exposure, that you're not taking any sort of medicines that make you more photosensitive. After we have gone over the questionnaire, we do ask you to undress in the area that you're going to be getting the laser hair removal. We go ahead and clean the area. We want to make sure there's no oils, lotions, or deodorants, and we don't want anything to get in the way of the laser. From that perspective. Before we fire the laser, we will give you some goggles. We want to make sure that your eyes are protected during the laser session. We do apply a layer of ultrasound gel, which just makes the experience more comfortable. And then we're going to use the laser and go ahead and fire a few shots, and then we're going to ask you from 1 to 10 how painful it was. We want you to be somewhere in between the 3 to 5 range, and we want to make sure you're comfortable so that you understand. You shouldn't be in too much pain that you feel like you need to grin and bear it, but you shouldn't feel nothing. We want to make sure that you feel something. After your laser hair removal session, we will apply a cold compress. We want to reduce any sort of redness and irritation that we can. For the next 24 to 48 hours, be as gentle as possible with your skin. No really hot showers, saunas, steams, pools, anything like that, whirlpools, because you want to just see how you're going to respond to the laser hair removal treatment. Any sort of redness, irritation, some bumps, that's actually normal. If it doesn't subside after 48 to 72 hours, please do give us a call, as we would like to hear about it. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great first laser hair removal session.